How to make school or teacher website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because you just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com and free forever. The next step, you just need to click this blue button, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. And now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a school website. We need you just need to type school here, and you can have such options as school project, school blogger, school forum, schooling pod, school of business, or for example you can create a teacher website. Just type teacher, and here teacher site basically. Also you can have elementary school teacher site, PE teacher class site, science teacher class site, English teacher class site, etc. So just for this video, just for an example, I'm gonna choose this one, but you can choose another one. Choose whatever you want, whatever you need basically. Choose whatever suits your purposes. The next step is that we need to create a name for website. For example, teacher, I don't know, like teacher.com. What are your goals for this site? This will help us match you with tools and features to fit your needs. Basically, for teacher website you need to share knowledge, maybe display creative work, maybe promote yourself, and maybe just explore. Feel free to choose whatever you want here. And here you can choose the apps you would like to add to give your site more functionality. So recommended for you is bookings, video, online programs, groups. Also you can discover more apps here, such as online store, events, blog, portfolio, pricing plans, forms, chat. We need groups here, I think. Maybe blog if you want to. Maybe chat to chat with your pupil. And now we can continue to dashboard. And now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 3 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. Basically we need to connect a custom domain here, like teachmaster.net. Just click this button, and this teachmaster.net will be yours. Meanwhile we will move straight to this point, design your website, the main point here. And now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I'll choose this one, customize a template, because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. And you just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you, for your purposes. So here you can see most popular website templates. Also you can choose blank templates if you wanted to create a site from scratch. But I'm gonna type teacher to find the best templates. Teacher site, and here is results. Tutor, online school, classroom, tutoring company, online education lectures, education blog. So choose whatever you want here. All templates are really nice, in my opinion. So I'm gonna choose this one just for an example. Click edit, and now we are gonna to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C#, maybe Java. You just need to use a website for creating another website, your own website. So that's the best about Wix.com, and so that's why I highly recommend Wix.com. Now we need to wait until everything loads. I'm gonna pause now. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer. Also we have such section as welcome section, services section, testimonial section, and this is only home page. Also we have such pages as about, our services, introduction call, and so on. Of course you can manage your pages here. You can delete some of them. You can delete even the group of pages. For example, you wanted to delete this one, our services. Easily click just click this button, delete page. Also you can hide the page from menu, or you can make it visible by clicking this button, show in menu. Also you can add pages here, and if you want to edit this specific section, for example welcome section, you need to double click on it or click this button, quick edit, and like this. And now you can edit this section. You can move the text, you can change the size of the text, double click on this or click this button, edit text, and now you can delete it. You can type whatever you want here. You can change style, you can change fonts, font size, you can move these buttons, you can delete these buttons, you can change this background. The main tool how to edit everything on the site is double click, edit this text. For example, we need to have our name of our website here and the logo of our website. Basically we need to delete this one, and now we need to add text here, the name of our website. For example, choose this one, small title, move it, and type, for example, teacher.com. And now we need to add a logo here. You can add your logo by add images, upload images from your computer, or import images from your social and Google accounts. Also, you can create image by AI, and also you can have FreeWix images. And here it is, custom logo, add logo, click this button, and here you can design your logo here, or if you already have your logo, just import it from your computer by clicking this button. In general, the site has a lot of functions. Also, you can add section, for example, about section. Choose a section here and drop it anywhere on the page, for example this one. Here it is. Of course, you can edit this section, delete. You have undo and redo buttons. So I recommend to try to explore this site by yourself. The entire interface, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. When you are done editing your website, you need to click this button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.